Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about the rare stamps of United States. 1943 1 cent floor Freedom Scott Catalog 908. Original gum superb with 2023 PSE certificate graded superb 98. SMQ price for the superb 98 is $155. Yugoslavia reverse printing of the flag colors. Inscription block of 4. Original gum with PSE certificate graded extremely fine superb 95. Scott catalog number is 970A, suggested bid $100. Well, this is 1942 3 cent Win the War Scott catalog number 905. Original gum and never hinged. Superb with 2023 PSE certificate graded superb 98. Well, our next stamp is 1942 5 cent Chinese Resistance Scott catalog number 906 original gum and superb with 2021 PSE certificate graded superb 98. Well, this is 1943 2 cent Allied Nations Scott catalog number 907 original gum and never hinged superb with 2022 PSE certificate graded superb 98. Well, this is 1942 3 cent Florida statehood. The Scott catalog number is 927 and this stamp has original gum and it was never hinged. Superb quality with 2021 PSE certificate superb 98. 1945 3 cent Florida statehood Scott catalog number 927 original gum and never hinged superb with 2021 PSE certificate graded superb 98. 1945 2 cent Franklin D. Roosevelt Scott catalog number 931 original gum and never hinged superb with 2023 PSE certificate graded superb 98. And our next stamp is 1946 3 cent Tennessee statehood Scott catalog number is 941 and this stamp has original gum. It was never hinged. Superb quality with 2020 PSE certificate graded superb 98. 1948 3 cent Wisconsin statehood Scott catalog number 957. This stamp has original gum, was never hinged and superb quality with 2020 PSE certificate. 1948 3 cent Fort Chaplain Scott catalog 956 original gum, was never hinged and superb quality with 2007 PSE certificate graded superb 98 grade. Well, 1945 3 cent Navy Scott catalog number 935. This stamp has original gum, was never hinged and has superb quality, accompanied with 2023 PSE certificate which graded superb 98. 1948 3 cent Mississippi Territory stamp Scott catalog number 955. This stamp has original gum and graded superb 95 by PSE certificate 2020. And our next stamp is 1947 3 cent Everglades National Park Scott catalog number is 952. This stamp has original gum, was never hinged, extremely fine to superb quality with 2012 PSE certificate. 1947 3 cent US Frigate Constitution. The Scott catalog number is 951 and this stamp has original gum. It was never hinged and has superb quality. This is accompanied with 2022 PSE certificate graded superb 98. 1947 3 cent Utah statehood. The Scott catalog number is 950 and it has original gum, was never hinged and with 2020 PSE certificate which graded extremely fine to superb 95. 1947 3 cent denomination doctors issue Scott catalog number 949 original gum and was never hinged, superb quality and accompanied with PSE certificate which graded superb 98. Year is 1947 3 cent denomination postage stamp centenary Scott catalog number 947 superb quality and with 2014 PSE certificate grading it superb 98. This stamp was never hinged. 3 cent stamp issued in 1947 Joseph Pulitzer Scott catalog number 946. This stamp has original gum, superb quality and accompanied with 2020 PSE certificate which graded superb 98. This beautiful stamp was issued in 1946 in the United States. The denomination is 3 cent and this is Kearney Expedition. The Scott catalog number is 944 and the PSE grade is extremely fine superb 98. 1946 3 cent Iowa statehood. Scott catalog number 942 and the PSE grade is extremely fine superb 95. There is a flag in the center and this is a beautiful blue color stamp. 1946 3 cent veterans of the World War II. The Scott catalog number is 940. The stamp has original gum. There is a beautiful bird in the center in the shield and there are stars above and below it. This gorgeous stamp depicting a ship and which is a merchant marine. The denomination is 3 cent and the year is 1946. The Scott catalog number is 939 and the grade is superb 98. 1945 3 cent Alfred E. Smith. The Scott catalog number is 937 and the stamp is accompanied by 2007 PSE certificate grading superb 98. This violet colored stamp is a 1940 issue 3 cent and there is a defense stamp postage and this is original gum. Scott catalog number is 901. The PSE certificate is present. 1941 3 cent Vermont statehood. Scott catalog number 903. This is a beautiful building violet colored stamp and the accompanied certificate was issued in 2021, grade superb 98. 1943 issue and the denomination is 5 overrun countries and this is Poland issue. Scott catalog number 909. 2007's PSE certificate is present. Well, this is 1943 issue and the overrun countries Greece issues 5 cent Scott catalog number 916 and this is also a gray violet color and 2006 PSE certificate present. Overrun countries issue Korea 5 cent denomination and the year of issue is 1944. There is a flag in the center. The Scott catalog number is 921. This is also violet gray color stamp. The 3 cent steamship, beautiful steamship of the United States. This is postage stamp issued in 1944 and the stamp has very good margins and the perforations are almost intact. This stamp is 3 cent. Texas statehood. The Scott catalog number is 938 and this stamp was issued in 1945. There is also USA stamp and a star below. Well, this is 1945 3 cent Coast Guard and the Scott catalog number is 936 and this is extremely fine to superb. The margins are very good and the perforations are also intact. And this is a 1945 3 cent Army Scott catalog number 934 and superb, graded superb 98 by the Philatelic Society and the price is $120. Well, this is 1945 1 cent Franklin D. Roosevelt, a great personality of the United States and the Scott catalog number is 930. And this stamp is original gum and is accompanied by 2020 PSE certificate. Another from United States towards United Nation, April 25, 1945 issue. The Scott catalog number is 928. This stamp is graded extremely fine superb 95 by PSE. Well, 1944 3 cent motion pictures, a beautiful stamp, people's looking at a cinema screen and the Scott catalog number is 926 and the superb quality with 2020 PSE certificate grading superb 98. Another violet color stamp issued in 1944 and the denomination is 3 cent and this is corrector issue. Scott catalog number is 925 and the stamp is original gummed and superb quality. Here is a lovely stamp for Telegraph Centenary 3 cent issued in 1944. Scott catalog number 924 and the year of PSE certificate is 2023. It is graded extremely fine superb 95. 1944 3-cent Transcontinental Railroad, Scott catalog number 922. This stamp has original gum and it is never hinged, with a 2020 PSE certificate, grading extremely fine, superb, 95 grade. 1943 5-cent Overrun Countries, Albania, Scott catalog number 918, and the year of PSE certificate is 2023, grading superb, 98. There is a red color flag in the center. I hope you liked the video. Thank you, and please like and comment.